Good morning, children. Hope you all are keeping safe at home and studying properly. I once again welcome you to your EVS class. Today we will start chapter 2, My Body. Children, you know our body is made up of different parts and they are all called organs. Each organ has a special function. And you also know that our body works as a machine. Different organs of our body. Our body is made up of different parts or organs. Some organs are inside our body and some are outside it. The parts of the body that we can see are called the external organs. So, here, children, it's very clear our body is made up of different parts, and those different parts are called organs, and each organ has a special function, special work. So, we will study about them in detail. The organs which we can see are all external organs. Some examples of external organs are mouth, neck, hands, fingers, and legs. Like we use our mouth for speaking and eating. We use our hands to do a number of activities like writing, drawing, throwing, clapping, etc. We use our neck to move our head. We use our leg to walk, run, jump, play, etc. So, these are the external organs which we can see. Now, we will mark some external organs in the given picture which you can see. Here, we will fill different parts of the body which has been marked. Number 1 from left side is hair. Hair, hair. The next one is elbow. Elbow, elbow. It is the part of the arm where you can bend your arm. The third one is stomach. Stomach. Your food gets into your stomach. And the last one is foot. Foot, foot. Now come to the right side. The first one is nose, nose. The second one, arms. Now the third one is chest, chest. Number 4, leg, leg. And the next one is knee. Knee is the part of the leg where you can fold your leg. Do this work in your book only. Now let's move to our next topic. Internal organs. Some organs are located inside the body. They are called the internal organs. The brain, the heart, the lungs, and kidneys are some internal organs. Children, we cannot see the internal organs. They are inside our body. Okay? So, we may not be able to see our internal organs, but they play a very important role in the body. The brain is located inside the head. The brain helps us to think. It also controls the functions of all the other organs of the body. Children, you know, brain is the control center of our body. When you touch hot water, the brain only sends a message. The water is hot. You may get hurt. Remove your hand, and then you remove your hand instantly. So the brain controls everything in our body. Now, can you feel something beating on the left side of your chest? When you will touch there, you will find it's beating like a drum. That is the heart. The heart pumps blood and sends it to all parts of the body. Okay? And you have also seen that a doctor uses a stethoscope. He uses it to listen to the heartbeat. Okay? Now, one more thing. Run for some time. Can you feel the heart beating faster? When we run or do any exercise, the heart pumps blood faster as the body needs more energy. What does it mean, children? Actually, when you run, you feel yourself, your heart is beating faster. You put your hand on your chest and you will find it's beating faster. Why it happens so? Because when you are running, you need more energy, and for providing you more energy, your heart pumps more time. That's why it starts working in a fast pace. Okay, that's why it beats faster. Now, our next internal organ is lungs. There are two lungs inside our chest. Our lungs help us to breathe. The air we breathe in through our nose goes into the lungs and they fill up with air when we breathe in. The lungs get bigger when they are filled with air. So, children, when you take in air through your nose, it goes into the lungs. Okay. Now, in the picture provided, you can see our brain. It is inside our head. Then you can have a look. The heart is in the left part of the body of the chest, and we have two lungs. And stomach, you can also see stomach. We will study about our stomach, which is also an internal organ, in our next class. Till then, children, take care. Thank you.